So, about that robot over there. We should have a war with it. It's gonna kill the whole city. We can't just let him stay here the whole time. So, about this robot fighting, what are we gonna do for the people? I got an idea. Let's go in the plan room. Alright. You coming or not? Come on. Jeez. Sorry. What do you like him being at for? It's nothing. Come on. I need to get back my family. I can't take it. Everyone else, they go back to your family. Excuse me. What? So, I'm going with Spring Sparkle. Yeah, let's go! We have some plans to do. That's just us. I mean, my own plan. Oh, let's go. So, what? Oh, I'm a plan. So, about this plan, what should we do about the robot? First, so guys, who wants to gather up all the families to safety? Does anyone have a family out, like, right now? I lost my husband! I lost my children! Okay, guys, calm down.